Hello, dear friends. Today we are going to learn how to measure the characteristics of the radiation, and we also learn how to design antennas. And to be clear, propagating towards the z direction, so we have ax and ay as a5, and substituting accordingly we get the values of er e theta. That is, we have the electrical field component and the electrical field component in terms of r and theta, that is in terms of the radiation, that is the sorry in terms of the radius of the sphere, and in terms of the elevation angle theta. And whereas the magnetic field components only persist around it, that is, as we know that the electrical field and the magnetic field will be perpendicular to each other, where that satisfies here, where if e theta is occurring, h phi will occur. If e phi occurs, then h theta occurs, right? So here the value of e phi, hr, h theta will be as 0. Okay, now calculation of radiation at the far distance. Thank you for listening. Right, that's about the